loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asama Ashekajana and today I'll be unboxing my ring light. Yes, I bought it at Takealot, guys. It was so cheap. It was on sale actually. I got it guys, 685. Yeah, it was 685. Yes, 685. Bought it at Takealot on Wednesday night and it got delivered today, and I just couldn't wait. I had to unbox and do everything. So yeah, we're doing the unboxing today. And yes, you guys, you don't undermine Takealot. Please make sure we are always on their side because they always have nice deals there. They always have sale. And yay, let's get into it, guys. Let's unbox the ring light and assemble it. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hey, here is our packaging. Okay, this is the tripod, and I guess this is everything else. And this is the manual. Let's assemble it and all that. Yay! Okay, guys, so let's start by putting on the tripod. Oh, okay, let's fix it. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, what did I just do? Guys. Was I right? Finally. Okay. So finally, guys, managed to fix it. And yay! This is how long it is. In the sun. Yeah, I just so that you guys can see the full yeah, this is how long it is. But then I can never evident that, so let me just hide and let me just come closer to you guys. And this is the phone holder, I believe. And let's do that. Okay, and we have this and this, and then we have the girl. This is the girl. Yeah. Okay. This is the girl. Yeah. And yeah, let's read the instructions. Open the tripod stand. We've done that already. Okay. How to assemble the ring lights, honey. Right. Okay. This is the VIP, honey. This is the girl. This is our girl for today. And yay, isn't she just cute, Bazaran? Aww. Hey. Okay, let's just see what she's capable of doing. Okay, let's attach this one here. Okay, and this is the most complicated thing I have ever done in my life. Assembling and whatnot. Okay. Our phone holder is on. Okay, let's see by how we be using this phone. Okay. It's perfecto. Yeah. Perfecto. Okay. See what's next? Okay. We are now attaching our ring light. Oh. Can you see us? Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, you guys, that I've finally got myself a ring light. Let me touch this here. I've been looking for one and couldn't find any. Actually, I did find them. Okay, I went to Eastgate, near Eastgate. That Bruma Mall. Yeah, that Bruma Mall, and I found a very, very cute ring light. Yeah, but guess how much was it? Like 1 million. I'm kidding you guys. It was 2.4. Imagine 2.4. Like you, I don't have that kind of money. 2.4. What? No ways. Okay, let me just here. Yeah. There you go. The ring light is on. Okay. Okay, now I have to attach this here. Yay, done. I have to bend it. It's flexible, guys. You can just keep it straight, but then there's no need for you to keep it straight because you put this on and you place. If you're not gonna place your phone here, or you use this one, then you can just leave it straight. But then if you want to use this phone holder, you just bend it. So this is how you're gonna place it here. See? Right. Yeah. You just have to use your colors to get it in. It's quite tight. And yeah. And yeah. There we go. Can you just fix something here? Why is it so easy? I don't want things breaking. Okay, there's something right back there. Right, yeah. I believe so. Yeah, everything is right. So, testing. Okay, yeah, it's within. Let's just leave it here. And then, yeah, I guess that's all. I don't have anything. Now we are going to connect and see the lines. We going to see the lights. Turn on the light. Whatever the lyrics say. So yeah, we have. Oh, thank goodness, we have the cable. You can just put it into your charger or whatever. Okay, testing. 1 2 1 2. Hi, my God. What is this? Oh, baby, with this now. Omo. What am I thinking? Do you see this? Okay, so you can change your lighting modes. Okay. Ooh, disco lights. Alright. And I guess this is night mode. And maybe day mode, I don't know. Right. Okay, now let's leave it here and then let's take it up. Okay, just take it down. Alright. Then. Oh, it's getting brighter and brighter. Let's change to this. Okay. Ooh, alright. It's just this one. Okay, I guess this is night mode. Oh, this is the mother of them all. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's test it now. As I'm right here, let's use my phone. Nancy and feet. Okay. This is me. Okay. This is me. This is I. This is your girl. Oh my shit. Okay, so guys, we've finally assembled our ring lights, and yay, now we are the girls we think we are. Yes, honey. I'm done. Am I not happy? I'm over the moon. I'll say now. Yeah, we are done. We are done. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, we are done. We are done here. Our girl is up. And I promise to give you guys an update. I'm so happy. Sunrise. But then guys, can you see the lighting? GG. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. And yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can finally post my workout videos, my hair, how I keep my hair healthy, and how I apply the products I use for my hair. And oh my goodness, I'm so happy, you guys. Oh, Mukaluna did dimples, man. But nah, my god. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I promise to give you guys the right content. I'll entertain you. I'll give you exactly what you guys need, exactly what you guys want. Oh my goodness. And I'm actually watching myself right now. I'm so sorry. I'm supposed to look at the camera lenses, but then I'm just too excited, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos.
There's not much to do when all I can